One of the ways that you can make your home healthy again is by transitioning to using non-toxic products. Many conventional home and personal care products contain a whole laundry list of toxic ingredients, and we are constantly getting exposed to them every single day through the dozens of products that we use, but we can very easily change that by swapping them out for non-toxic ones. I know that the idea of non-toxic living or even just low-tox living and detoxing your home can feel overwhelming at first, but the easiest and most simple way to do this is to just swap out your products. You are not changing your routine and your habits, you are just simply using a different product. I am going to share with you 7 common household non-toxic products that I personally use. I have used many of these products for at least a year now, some of them for many years, and I think that they actually work a lot better than the conventional ones that I used to use. Plus, some of them are actually working to support my wellness at the same time, which is really cool. The first non-toxic swap is filtered water. There are so many contaminants in our drinking water, it's ridiculous, and many of us are unknowingly consuming them as we live a healthy lifestyle. Water is the preferred drink of choice when you are trying to improve and maintain your health, but depending on your area, the drinking water can contain heavy metals, pesticides, fluoride, trace pharmaceuticals, microplastics, and more. Instead of buying lots of bottled filtered water all of the time, you can easily keep a filtered water pitcher or dispenser in your kitchen, and then each time you need water, you can get it from those. You can even get a filtered water bottle, and this way you can drink filtered water anywhere you go, at the gym, at work, at school, or even while you're traveling. The second non-toxic swap is your household cleaner. We all want to have a clean home, but not at the expense of our health. I use the FAVS cleaner. It's an all-purpose plant and mineral-based cleaner, and I have been using it for many years to clean my entire house, including appliances, countertops, mirrors, windows, yoga mats, jewelry, showers, sinks, toilets, and carpets. It smells really good. It's scented with therapeutic grade essential oils. It's got thieves oil, and this blend of oils is known as our immune supporting oil. And it also works great to get rid of unpleasant odors in the air. So whenever I am cleaning, I am breathing in thieves oil and supporting my immune system and making my home smell nice and clean and homey instead of just breathing in God knows what chemicals that are found in the fragrance of a conventional cleaner, plus whatever other chemicals may be present. The third non-toxic swap is your laundry detergent. The chemicals that are found in your laundry detergent are coming into contact with your largest organ all day long, which is your skin, through the clothes that you wear and the sheets that you sleep on. I use the Thieves laundry soap. It too is plant-based, and it contains natural enzymes to naturally clean your clothes and sheets. It also contains high-quality therapeutic grade oils, including Thieves, jade lemon, and bergamot essential oils, which support wellness, your emotional health, and give your laundry a light citrus scent. The fourth non-toxic swap is your air fresheners, linen sprays, perfumes, colognes, and candles. Perfumes, colognes, and candles are beloved by many, and I used to get so excited to either get a candle as a gift or to smell all of them at the store, but once I put 2 and 2 together that they were causing me health problems, I knew that I had to stop using them. I was really sad initially until I discovered essential oils. I will say that not all essential oils are the same. They aren't regulated, and so many can be adulterated or be imitation oils. So you really want to get the real deal, and when you get high quality oils, you also get to benefit from their therapeutic properties. So they serve you in multiple ways. Like lavender. It smells amazing, and it's also calming for your skin and your emotions, and it helps support sleep and healthy hair. In the last couple of years, Young Living has been creating some oil blends for their simplified collection, and these oils are pre-blended for candle replacement, which is like the easiest button to diffusing oils since you don't have to blend different ones together in order to create a desired scent. So like cozy chai, orange creamsicle, vanilla mint, candy cane, and spring rain. They come out seasonally, and they are limited edition, so you've got to get them before they sell out. The fifth non-toxic swap is your beauty essentials. This includes your skincare, makeup, and hair care products. We use the majority of these products on a daily basis, which means that we are coming into contact with hundreds of different chemicals every day. It's a lot for the body to process, and over time, they can build up quicker than our body can excrete them. This was actually the area where I was the most hesitant to ditch and switch out my products. A big source of confidence comes from our appearance and how we present ourselves in the world, and I didn't want to lose that. I also didn't think that non-toxic beauty or clean beauty products would ever do as good of a job as the chemical-filled products, but I was wrong. You can definitely achieve a beautiful makeup look using clean products, and you can also get healthy looking and feeling skin and hair using clean beauty products. And in my case, if you have seen some of my past videos, these non-toxic products or these low-tox products that I've switched over to have actually helped me solve some problems. For example, I have oily, acne-prone skin, and my shampoo and conditioner were causing the majority of my breakouts all along my hairline and on my upper back where my hair falls. And so switching them out really helped me out big time. And the sixth non-toxic swap is your deodorant. I have tried a few non-toxic ones, and this one here is my favorite. It's from Primally Pure. First off, it works really well to prevent body odor. So many other ones just really fall short in that department. I buy the unscented one, but they also make scented ones with essential oils. Secondly, it feels really good on my skin and it doesn't irritate my skin at all. I've rebought it several times and I find that it lasts me a fairly long time. Being intentional and acting like a filter about what products I use and keep in my home and which products I need to get rid of and stop using has empowered me to have control over my health both in the short and long term. It has helped me address problems that I didn't even know were being caused from the use of conventional products that contain toxic chemicals, and it has helped me set up an environment in my home that promotes health and vitality for years to come. And if you have a family that you are taking care of, then you know that whatever makes it through your front door is going to get used by somebody or smelled by somebody. And by acting like a filter and becoming the guardian of your home, you are protecting the health of your family members and your pets too. All right, you guys, I hope that you found this video helpful. I know that it can be super overwhelming when you're trying to figure out what products to switch over to, and it's really nice to have a recommendation. So that's why I wanted to share with you the products that I personally love and use all of the time. Decision fatigue is a real thing, and I have definitely gone through that myself. I've linked all of the products that I use in the description box, and I also have some discount codes listed there as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I hope that you found it really helpful. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I share videos each week on how you can improve your everyday wellness with good food and natural living, and I hope to see you in my next video. As always, stay well, my friends. Bye.